Cooking Adventures at Sage's House, part, like, 2000. It sounds like planes crashing.
What the Sigma?
What did you say that for? Remain calm. Remain calm. We will not be evacuating the White House. We will be evacuating the White House.
War.
Back when 17.
In 76 from our founding fathers created this country. Declaration of Independence. And airplanes are flying around everywhere.
Why is he so stupid? If you knew anything about North Carolina history, you would know that the Wright brothers invented the airplane in like 1906. In Katy Hawk, North Carolina.
You didn't help me at all. So honestly, I think I'm gonna eat all this.
Big bag.
Guys, don't get mad at me for that. She said that it was okay. I could put all those pictures and call her that.
It's okay.
Yeah, see, she's right here. It's just a joke. I don't really want any anyway, so.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna throw this on the counter and wait for it to cool off so I can try it and see how ready it is.
This is the
Little armadillo.
Wait, can you get me one? This is Sage's tactic. I'm not gonna eat.
So, what if it like melts the plastic and starts fire? These
Well,
are
there's clearly not gonna melt the plastic.
these are,
not there.
these are little.
These are armadillos.
That is good. With a little basil, that would be al dente.
What?
That was worth 30 minutes. Hey, your phone is running out of storage.